Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because I have the new Fantasy Cosmetica Warlock collection in my stash today. This was kindly sent to me in PR by the Fantasy Cosmetica team. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to dive into this palette, this entire collection. This collection is going to drop on September 27th at 11 a.m. CST. Now we are getting 5 different lip oils, which I will be changing into throughout this video. The first one I am wearing is this red one right here called Fiend. I think it is very pretty, and so far it's been a very comfortable formula. Now let's take a closer look at the Warlock palette. So when we open this up, we do get a full-size mirror, and we're getting a beautiful 9-pan color story, 5 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 multi-chromes. Now the palette itself is going to retail for $38.99, and each lip oil is going to retail for $12.49. I do have an affiliate code, Steff, and that will give you 10% off of your order. So I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this palette. We're going to try it all out. I do want to apologize for some of the audio in today's video. I'm actually having to refilm this intro because my little microphone was like flipped upside down. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the 2 tutorials that I'm going to be doing in today's video. So don't mind my lips moving. Everything that I said, I'm going to say it in the voiceover. Don't worry. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of indie makeup, especially Fantasy Cosmetica, be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, I will have everything that I'm wearing in today's video linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. And I also want to mention, for those of you that watched yesterday's video over the new Ladybug Glow and Blair collaboration palette, Castle of Horror, I will be comparing it to this one from Fantasy Cosmetica, just because they're both, you know, Halloween themed palettes, they're both 9-pan palettes, and that way you can decide whether you need them both or maybe just one. Hopefully both, because I think both color stories are really pretty. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create with the new Warlock palette from Fantasy Cosmetica, keep on watching. Okay guys, so right here I'm just explaining that I changed into the green lip oil, which is called Archfey. A very comfortable formula. And I've also primed my eyelids already with the Bella Beaute Bar eyeshadow primer. I'll be using this bright green in the inner half, and then I'm going to work my way down to that darker blue for the outer corner. So I'm taking that green shade on Again Beauty E03. I'm just going to blend it into the inner corner, and I'm also going to bring it down a little bit towards the lower lash line. I think this shade of green is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm using a BK211, and I'm going to start blending that dark blue in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. So I'm just going to leave that little portion free because we're going to be applying the shimmer there as soon as I get done with this matte blue. I like that. That was really easy to blend out. I'm going to start first with that blue shimmer, and then I'm going to work my way towards the green one on top. I'm using a damp Rephr 21 to apply this shade, just right there on the outer half. Now on a damp Morphe M213, I'm taking that green shimmer shadow and I'm placing it in the inner corner. I'm also going to add just a little bit of that shade right there to the center of the lid. Now I'm going back in with the brush I used for that dark blue matte, and I'm just using it to blend a little bit into the crease. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Packed, and then I might deepen it up with that darker blue at the bottom. And I'm using a BK Beauty 210 brush to apply that mustard shade. Love the shade, so pretty. With that same brush, I did pick up a little bit of that dark blue, and I'm just going to focus it on the outer half of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches and also to change into the next lip oil. So here is the completed look number 1. I did change into the more purple leaning lip oil. This one is in the shade Ancient 1. Very, very comfortable formula. Some of the other things that I used for this look include the new KVD Beauty Tubing Mascara. For the lower waterline, I went in with an e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick in the shade Lava Lamp. And then for the top lash line, I used my Rare Beauty eyeliner. Really like the way this look turned out. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for look number 2, I'm going to start first with the yellow shade, then move into the red shade, and then I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with the black shade. I'm using my Game Beauty E01 just to start packing this yellow shade into the crease. On a Game Beauty E07, I'm taking that red shade called Power, and I'm going to run that in the crease and on the outer corner. I'm using a BK Beauty A504 for the matte black, and I'm really going to focus that in the outer corner as well as the lower portion of the crease. So these are the only 2 shimmer shadows that I have not used, so we're definitely going to use them in this next look. I think I'm going to start with that top shade, and then I'm going to work my way towards that bottom shade. So I'm taking the shade Ritual on my damp Morphe M124, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. I'm loving that green to gold shift, so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Patron. I'm going to pick that up with my finger and I'm going to apply it to the center of the lid. For the lower lash line, I'm using a Lunar Beauty number 1 brush and that dark blue shade. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade and I am going to spray it. Ooh, okay guys, I am going to take care of finishing touches. I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I think this one might be my favorite. I went in with another e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick right here for the lower waterline. This one is in the shade Out of Sight, and I did change into the next lippy number 4. This one is in the shade, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it right, Efreet, not too sure, but it's a pretty one. I like it. I like it on its own, and then I think you can do like a brown lip liner with it, and it would just be perfection. This formula has been really comfortable while I've been filming, and yeah, guys, I managed to use all 9 shades in this palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'll share with you guys my final thoughts, and I'm going to change into the 5th and final lip oil. Okay guys, so here is the 5th and final lip oil in the shade Demon, and it is like a black with like sparkles in it. Be a nice topper, a nice like gloss to wear with maybe a black lipstick or a really dark purple lipstick, or even like a dark maroon. I think that would be really cool, but this is what it looks like on its own. I have officially used everything in this pretty awesome collection from Fantasy Cosmetica. The Warlock palette, very beautiful cover art. I like that we're getting a 9-pan palette. I feel like a lot of the palettes coming out lately have been a little bit on the larger side. Sometimes all you need is just a good 9-pan palette to create some amazing looks, and you're definitely going to be able to do so with this Warlock palette. Minimal fallout from the duo and multi-chrome, so that's pretty good. If you still want to use your glitter primer, that would be a good idea too. The mattes, very easy to work with, pigmented, easy to blend, and these specialty shadows really pack a punch. I love it. I think the color story is really pretty. I did want to compare this to the latest one from Ladybug Glow. That way you guys can see, you know, what they look like in case you are eyeing them both. So here is Castle of Horror. I just uploaded my video over this where I'm creating 2 looks. I got to use all of the shades in this palette, but you can see that this is definitely more of a purple leaning palette. We do have kind of like a rusty like burgundy down here, but when I hold them together, I actually think if you wanted to do both, which they're both pretty affordable. They're both going to be less than $40. This is what they look like, one on top of the other. Fantasy Cosmetica Ladybug Glow by Blair. This is a collab palette. This palette with my discount code, my affiliate code Steff, comes out to $32. And then the Fantasy Cosmetica palette, my affiliate code is also Steff. So that'll bring the palette down from $38.99 to kind of almost maybe about $32, maybe $1 more or something like that. But two very affordable palettes, two really good solid 9-pan palettes for the Halloween season. The Ladybug Glow palette drops on September the 30th. I think it's going to be at night. It could be like 11 p.m. CST. I have not gotten official confirmation, but the Fantasy Cosmetica Warlock palette drops on September the 27th at 11 a.m. CST. I will definitely post about it in my community section, letting you guys know, hey, it's available. In case you want to pick it up. I think that the lip oils are really pretty. I think it's a very comfortable formula. They're not insanely pigmented, which is okay because they're a lip oil. They're meant to be a little bit more sheer, but they feel so good on the lips. I think this red one, Fiend, was the most pigmented of the bunch, and it is the one that I was wearing in the intro of today's video. Love them. These are going to retail for about, I think it was $12.49 or $12.39, $12.49 each. I don't know that if they're going to do a bundle, like if you can buy the whole collection together. I don't see that here in my notes, but that might be an option. Keep in mind that there's also going to be a fragrance released as well. I didn't get sent the fragrance, but that's okay because I'm not the best at explaining fragrances and the notes and all of that stuff. But do keep in mind it is going to be a full collection. I'm going to give Fantasy Cosmetica Warlock palette and the lip oils 2 big thumbs up. I think they did a great job. And I think this is a really nice, well thought out collection. Thank you so much again to the Fantasy Cosmetica team for sending me this in PR. Now I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you thought of the 2 looks I created. Which one was your favorite? Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if Warlock is going to be in your future. Let me know if Castle of Horror is going to be in your future. Maybe both. Leave it all in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.